Hello, sunshines. Look at them. I don't know if I can see them. Oh, there they are. They're two. Parents are not here. I could take advantage of you. Maybe I can fry. Oh, there's three. Three? Yes. I see 1, 2, 3 eyes. Oh my gosh. You guys are adorable. Yeah, they decided to make their house there, right on my door. How lucky we are. Took shelter right in front of my house.